Hello, my name is Daniel and I'm the creator of Arpro. Arpro is really the most amazing piece of software made for restaurants. More than 10,000 restaurants daily use my projects, and I have gathered a lot of information regarding what restaurants need. Arpro is a work that has not been done into days or months, it has been years into making. And it has really the most amazing features that you can ever think of. So let's jump in and let's see what's inside. So Arpro is a software as a service application, meaning that you can buy the project and run it as your own software as a service company. You can onboard new clients and earn from them. You can charge them monthly, yearly, or charge them based on each order they make. The possibilities are up to you. You can use the landing page provided with the platform, but you also can decide to run or create your own landing page and use the project backend just as in subdomain. Let's get started. So we have the landing page and we are going to now log in as an owner to see all the functionalities there. As soon as I logged in, I'm presented with a gorgeous dashboard, but not overwhelmed with a lot of information, just the basic ones like orders, sales volume, expenses, how many views of my project, and recent orders. On the right side, I have the total number of orders that I have made this week and orders by month. I can also here search for orders, item, and expenses, but this is also a quick view, quick actions from where I can add just new item, new expense, new order, and you can see that, for example, add new item, add new expense, and add new reservation. Go directly to my items, directly to the order by just entering the ID of the order, and so on. Next, on the left side, we have the menu, and we have separated into different sections because we have so much functionality there. So we have workflow, the restaurant, customer engagement, and development. In the workflow area or section, we have the orders, the reservation, the AI hub, and the mobile apps. So let's go quickly in each of them. Orders is the main place from where owners can manage their orders. They can accept it, reject them, and they can go directly in an order to see what's been ordered by whom, and on each what table, what kind of order is this, and they have the option to accept or reject the order. And let's accept the order and say that it will be done in 40 minutes. As soon as I accept the order, it will be available in kitchen display system. And also the live orders is a place where I can see an overview of my active orders of today. So when a new order happens, it will be presented here. The accepted order is moved here, and I can have a quick overview of what's the flow of my orders. So inside the kitchen display system that comes with this project, I'm able to see what kind of orders are right now inside my kitchen to be made. So the staff working in my kitchen can mark an item as done, and as soon as they have done all the items, they can mark the complete order as done and ready to be delivered to the table. So that works great. Let's go now to point of sale system, and the point of sale system is made primarily for your waiters, so they can quickly take orders and they can see an overview of your restaurant. So you can see that we have inside area and the terrace area, and all of these areas of course managed by the owner. You can see a quick overview of orders, but you can also make new takeaway order, new delivery order, and you can move an order from table to table. On the floor plan, you can see the active orders on that table and things like that. The new thing here is the AI orders, and AI orders is we have an AI agent, AI phone agent, so you can have your restaurant phone number to be registered there. As soon as you receive a call from a client, an AI agent will take and accept the order. So yeah, do you want to see how that looks? Let's start. I will mimic a call and I will send this to my phone number, and let's see what we have in our menu. So I'm receiving the call right now. Let me just open the menu. I will put it on speakers.
This is Melania from the pizza restaurant. Do you want to make a reservation or order?
I would like to order, please.
Can I get your name? And would you like to do a pickup or delivery?
My name is Daniel, and I will make a pickup.
Great. At what time do you want to pick up your food?
At 2 p.m., please.
We have salads, pizzas, fresh pasta and risotto, and lasagna. What would you like to order, Daniel?
I would like to order a pizza.
We have various types of pizzas, such as mozzarella pizza, prosciutto crust pizza, pepperoni pizza, and more. We also have different sizes and crust types, like small, medium, large, and family, with hand-tossed, thin crust, or double-decker options. Which one would you like to order, Daniel?
Perfect. Do you have pepperoni pizza?
Yes, we have the pepperoni pizza. It comes in different sizes and crust types, such as small, medium, large, and family, with hand-tossed, thin crust, or double-decker options. Which size and crust type would you like for your pepperoni pizza, Daniel?
I would like family, double-decker with pepperoni.
So that's a family size. Double-decker pepperoni pizza. The price for that is $25.99. Would you like to add any extras to your pizza, such as olives or mushrooms, Daniel? And are you done with your order?
Please add pepperoni.
I will stop the conversation here as per your request.
Please add pepperoni to the pizza, please.
You've already ordered the family size double-decker pepperoni pizza. I'll add an extra pepperoni to that. The extra pepperoni costs $1. Would you like to order anything else, Daniel? Or are you done with your order?
No, that's all. What's the price of my ordered pizza?
Okay, give me a second. Your total comes out to be $26.99. We will have your family size double-decker pepperoni pizza with extra pepperoni ready for pickup at 2 p.m.
Perfect. I just made an order, and the AI order should be received here. So let's see, Daniel. Today is 31st of March. What time? Takeaway. Perfect. Let's process now the order. So when the waiter sees this, the client name will be automatically set. The client phone will be automatically set. The delivery time is set to be here 2 p.m. So I will make 2 p.m. to 2:30. And so I need family size double-decker pepperoni pizza with extra pepperoni. So I can look for pepperoni pizza. And then family double-decker with pepperoni, add to cart. So the AI, the iPhone agent handled the order. The waiter is the one that will process the order, and based on the AI order notes, make the actual order. We can also apply discount coupon, loyalty card, and so on. So this is truly amazing point of sale, which has all the possible options. It can be integrated with third parties, so you can gain even more options, and you can have more power in this system, like automatically adding new items, handling orders from different places, and so on. Hope you did like this. Let's move on. So we looked into the point of sale. Inside the reports, you will see a list of reports for your orders. So only the delivered orders, the complete orders will appear here, and you will see an overview of how much money you make, what's the platform fee, what's the fee that the admin will charge this account, and they can decide if they use Stripe Connect, so money can go directly to them. So we have a lot of options when it comes to how money goes. So the money can go to the admin or to the restaurant directly. If the money goes to the admin, the restaurant has the option to connect with Stripe Connect and to receive automatically the money they made via their restaurant. The other option is the money to go directly to the restaurant, and the restaurant will, at the end of the month, receive an invoice for the fees and so on. So the possibilities here are limitless. Let's go now inside reservations. I hope you grab a popcorn, since we have a lot of things to cover up. So there's, as you saw in the previous call, the AI asked me, do I want to make reservation or order food. So, and I ask to order food. But we have also the option to make reservation also via the phone agent. Soon as I make that reservation, the reservation will appear here, and I have the option to add my own reservation. As you can see here, I'm already seated for that day, and I haven't. So I will change the status for today, so it's confirmed on table 3. 1 hour, and I will change the date for this reservation, or this is just a test one. And as soon as I go to the reservation tab, I will see that order as confirmed, and I can seat the guest, and I can view an overview of what's. So this is table 3 is confirmed, it's yellow, and of course I can add a walking customer, phone reservation, and the AI can fill in reservations automatically here. All I need to do is just accept them. There is also option to create your own widget. So it will appear like this one. And the widget you can put on your website or whatever. You can put an small HTML tag, and the reservation form will appear there. We also have this on our website that you will later see. So that's regarding reservation. With this, we covered a lot of things so far: the orders, how they are processed, how the AI agent works, something about the reservation. And we covered that we have AI reservations and AI ordering, but we have also AI suggestions. So this means that AI can suggest a new item to the user, and later we'll see how that looks in the cart. We have mobile apps, 3 mobile apps: the vendor app, the driver app, and the client app. All of these apps work for Android and iOS. So you have the full power to gain audience also from there. The vendor app can be used for vendors to accept and reject orders, and to see an overview of all their orders and how much money they make. The driver app is an app for drivers that deliver food for the restaurant, and the restaurants can create their own list of drivers. The drivers who logged in accept, reject, and deliver the orders. The client app is truly unique. So this can work in 2 ways. The client app can be specific for one restaurant, so you can get the menu only for that restaurant, or you can have an app for all your restaurants that are your in system. So you can decide that whatever you want to promote or sell to your client. As I said, all of them work for Android and iOS, and it's really a game changer when it comes to how much you can gain from platforms on Android and iOS. Let's move on. So now we cover the workflow section. We're going in the restaurant section. So the restaurant section is a section where you can manage your items, see the website and things like that, view analytics. Let's see the website. So this is the default restaurant website that when they create their menus, they will see something like this. They can see the menu, the information about the system, they can see the photos, call the waiter, see the loyalty program, and go inside my orders because I'm now logged in. I can order from here, and you can share this web page, create a QR and put it on the tables so users can use it. As we saw in the POS and the point of sale system, when user clicks, in that way the waiter clicks, but here the user is the one that clicks on the orders, on the items, and he's able to order. So I want in this case large with hand toasted, and I want olives in this case, and I want 3 pizzas like this. Soon as I click the order will be added, but look at this now, perfect match. For in this case, the AI looked into my cart already, looked inside the menu to see what else is possible, and suggests me to put a green salad here. So it didn't suggest another pizza or another item, but suggested the salad, thinking that the green salad is the item that will be best suited for my next item to be added. If I had Coca-Cola inside the platform, I believe the Coca-Cola will be the one that will be suggested next. So this is really helpful in order to upscale your sell more for the restaurants. Then they can see photos here, a photo gallery of the restaurant. These are just photos, but they can add their photos of the interior and things like that from exterior. Then the option to call the waiter on the table. We'll not do that now. And see the loyalty landing page from where they can inform how much points they have on their card or what they can earn as rewards. So let's go back. Let's go back to the system. The restaurant is where we manage what we have inside the menu, information about our system and things like that. So let's go inside. The menu, we have worked on this like years now, and we have made it, I think, the best in all the industry. So you can add new categories, import items, resort the categories, then post a category, delete the category, change the category, and add an item inside the category. Inside the items, inside the same category, you can reorder them and make it the way you need. Let's go inside an item to see what options we have. So we have informations for the item, the price, then an image, and do we want a variance? In the case when we want variants like we saw in the pizza, we can have all the options possible that we can think of. And this is really an amazing system that has been proven to work for more than 10,000 restaurants worldwide. We have the extras, and we can also add allergens to be as information for the user that is ordering. QR Builder is a way to create a QR badge, QR image for your restaurant, and you can choose from the different designs that we have in the different colors, and the restaurant can print this and put on their table and so on. As you can see, we can have different QRs per different table, but it can be no specific table, and when an order is made for a specific table, the restaurant, the owner will know that the order comes from this restaurant directly, from this table. Then let's go inside tables. As you saw in the POS, we had a floor plan where we saw the active orders. So this is the place where we define our tables, our areas, and things like that. Inside the photo section, I'm able to create new albums and so on. But this is really interesting. So I go inside an album. I'm able to upload 20 photos at a single time, but this is also import images from menu. So this will import all food images at once, and you can reorder them as you want to show inside in the photo gallery. So this is also really nice. Let's go back. And let's go now to design. We saw our landing page, but we have now 6 different designs, and this number probably will grow with time. We have the currently active theme, which is the glow theme. Then we have elegant template, clean template. Then we have photo menu template, minimal template, and the fusion template. Each of them serves for different purpose. And for example, the minimal template I really like too much for luxury place. See how this looks. It looks clean, sophisticated, and it actually works. You can click, order pizza, then go to checkout, and yeah, this is truly amazing. How does it look? From the 10,000 restaurants that we have gathered information from, a lot of them also want photo menu template, meaning that they want to show this template on their tablet, and the users will know what they want, what they will get. So this menu style is for those that want to show the menu on tablet. They have images, and the user will directly know what they want to offer. And yeah, let's go on. So they can activate the template or just preview directly with their data how that will look directly. Then we have the option to add staff. For staff members can work inside the POS, they can work inside the kitchen. They don't have the options to change the menu, the restaurant information, and new stuff. So they have limited resources on what can be done. So these are really actually the staff of the restaurant. Each restaurant can deliver their own delivery areas, and each delivery area can have delivery cost. But you can also think of delivery areas as different branches of restaurants. They can each have different phone, and the order will be received in the system, but can also be sent on different phone numbers. This is also really interesting. This is the place where restaurants can manage their drivers, put expenses, and the expenses can be separated by different vendors, by categories, and so on. In the management of the restaurant, they can change the information for the restaurant, put working hours, change the location, and things like that. So working hours is also a really important one, since orders will be accepted only the restaurant is working. So the system will be that intelligent to know when to reject, do not allow to make not allow to make an order and things like that. So that's already working. Social networks is the list where you put your social network. Payments is the case where you want when the restaurant when the orders money go directly for the restaurant, so you can define your payment information here inside the custom domain. So the web page that you see, your website, can be bind to a custom domain. So the restaurant owner can put their own domain, and when the clients enter the domain, the website will be open. Then we have all of the configurations here for the different tools we have, and we have a lot of tools. Then let's move to analytics. Analytics is really powerful tool that was requested by a lot of restaurants, where they want to see an overview of how their business grows or how much money they make. And they can have different ranges on today, last 7 days, or define a custom range and see the new orders, the revenue, the average order value, the expenses that they have made. They can see revenue versus expenses per month, sales by category, so they can see what category sells the best, popular menu items, order by expedition type, expenses by vendor, table reservations, and things like that. So this is really an amazing tool to have. They can export the data, export the PDF, and choose the date, choose the range that they want, and they get the best analytics, all the analytics that are available there. Inside the loyalty program, this is truly unique. So the loyalty program is something that has been worked on for a lot of more than 1 year, and the card management is the restaurants can issue cards for their clients, and so they have a loyalty program right away. They can give points to clients, so they can select the client based on some order or put the order value, and the system will automatically manage how much points they should give to the user. But this is also automatic. So when I order food from the restaurant, or the waiter orders food for me, and they can put my loyalty card ID, and the points will be automatically assigned to me. The restaurant can manage the awards from here. For example, for 10 points you will get 1 pizza, and so on. They can define the frequently asked question. Inside the point distribution, they can say how much each of the categories or item will give points to the user. So this is really an amazing platform to have inside your offering. And of course, all of the settings for the loyalty. Let's see how redeem points. So they can also redeem points. They can select the client, select the award, and give the award to the user, and also remove points from the user. Then we have the list of customers, the people that have ordered food from us. We can create coupons, for example, 10% discount for each order, and each of the coupons we can distribute to our users. We can set limit. Let's see how that looks. We can set limit. Is it fixed or percentage, date to and when, active from and active to, and how much users can use this coupon. So we have a lot of options there. And now we're going to the development section. Development section has the integration and the API. So in the integration, we have the WhatsApp, dtrack, webhooks, Google Analytics, OpenAI, print note. WhatsApp. So when a user makes an order, we have the option, the order to be automatically sent to the restaurant phone number, and the restaurant can start a direct communication with the user on WhatsApp. With WhatsApp, we can also have automatically send the status of the order to the user. So this is more advanced. So in each step, when I accepted the order, when I moved, when the order is completely finished, when it's put to delivery, when the driver takes the order, we can inform the user via WhatsApp for all of these changes. dtrack is also a really popular application for delivering orders, and you can use your drivers can use this application to have better delivery system that will be also notify the users about their location of the order. Webhook is a way this system to communicate with external system, and we already have that. So you can have different webhooks for when the order is accepted, approved by the vendor, approved by the system, or when the status of the order is changing. So you can have all of that. If we go to Google Analytics, we can enable Google Analytics on each of on the menus, so the restaurant owner will have complete analytics of the system. OpenAI is the one responsible for the suggestions of the items. So as you see in the card, an item was suggested for me, and an OpenAI was used for this. Print note is used for order to be printed inside the kitchen. So as soon as an order is received, it will be printed inside the kitchen. So we have this also as an option. Then we have the API part. We have three APIs: the vendor API, the customer API, the driver API. And each of these APIs serves a different purpose for the system. So you can build new integrations with this project, like we have the vendor app, the client app, and the driver app. All of them are using this system. So you can extend the platform with whatever functionality you like. In general, that was what the system has. So please check the demo, see how it works, and yeah, try it for yourself. You can create your own account and see how it looks. On the user account, on the owner account, we have also profile, billing, and the option to log out. Inside the billing, the payment system, the payment platforms will be displayed to the user. Let's log out and go inside the admin panel to see shortly how that looks. When we log in as an admin, we have a view of our system, of our users, how much they are paying to us, what's the MRR, and what's the annual ARR. And I hope this number will be big for you. We already have few clients that have more than 800 restaurants, and they are making crazy good money with just running this project that, as you see, it's not that complex to start and work. We have the detailed list of restaurants where I can edit them, log in as them, clone it, or deactivate them. I can see on which plan they are. I can search by name, by plan, or by email of the user. If I go to a restaurant, I'm able to set fee, percent, and static fee. What is this? So this is on each order that the restaurant made. I want to make $2 or €2 in this case on that order, but I also want to make 5% for me. So we also have this as an option, so we can earn money based on each order of the restaurant. This is totally up to you. It can also be 0-0. You can automatically, you can also change the working hours for them, change the locations, or manually assign a plan that this restaurant needs to use. In the finances, you will see the restaurant orders, and you can search per specific restaurant, per date, and see it based on payment status. And you can generate your own invoice based on the money you want to receive from that restaurant. Inside the resources, you can manage the allergens, you can write blog posts, you can manage the categories for the foods. Then you can also add managers, which are, what's manager? Manager is person that manages multiple restaurants. So we have also this restaurant. There will be a manager that can manage 1, 2, 3 or more restaurants. You can change the theme of this admin platform, and as you can see, you have different themes and different types of icons. Inside the system area, you can define the system settings, the landing page, you can define the pricing plans, add pages like the the terms and condition pages here, and from here you can translate the complete system into the language that you need. From the support, you can see the frequently asked questions and get insights, send a ticket to us, so we are staying in the loop together. So yeah, this is in short about, or short or in long for the Rpro. It's truly a platform that has it all. I cannot think now of new features that that this project needs, but we have some that are already in work in progress, and this project is something that has been worked on for a few years now and will continue to expand. We have around 10,000 restaurants worldwide are using the system. We have just direct customers more than 2,000, and then we have 10,000 restaurants that use and give feedback for this system. This system will continue to improve, we'll have new features, and I think you will start a good business with this. And on the long run, you can count on us as a partner to have a stable business, as a lot of our clients already have. Yeah, so thanks for watching this video, and if you have any question, feel free to reach me out. Hope this video was good in details regarding what's the offer, and yeah, that's it. Have a great day, and yeah, hope you will make great business with this. Bye bye.